Hello, I'm Javier, ATM technician, and today I'm going to show you how to pull a journal.
So you're going to have it at your main screen here. You're going to push cancel, clear, enter on the keypad. 1, 2, 3. From here it'll bring you to your password screen. The default password is 222222. Hit enter on the keypad. It's going to bring you into system mode here. You go to teller. You're going to go to eJournal. You're going to either search for the specific dispute date, or you can view all for all of the history of the transactions on the machine. By pushing search, it gives you the option to enter in a date. It's going to be in a 4-digit format for the year and a 2-digit format for the month and day. You have to use a 2-digit format for the month and day, or you will not have the ability to go to the next step. So we're going to go ahead and choose day. We'll choose the 25th. Select search, select view. You can cycle through the day's transactions with a +1 or a +5 feature if there's multiple transactions. Go ahead and push whatever you need to get to the transaction you're looking for. You're going to search for your terminal ID, your sequence number, or your date. Once you've found the one you want, select print. From here it'll give you the option for all data or current data. Current data is the one you're currently on. All data is all of the day's transactions. Select current. You have detailed or simple. Simple is just going to give you a quick little idea of what that transaction was. Detail will give you all the details necessary for a dispute. If you push exit all the way till you get back to the password screen and cancel, it'll put your ATM back in its home screen.
And that's how you pull a journal. Thank you, and make sure you stay tuned for our other videos.